How do you get moons from every kingdom in Super Mario Odyssey? Imagine exploring vibrant worlds filled with secrets, puzzles, and surprises at every turn. Super Mario Odyssey invites players to journey across numerous kingdoms, each with its own unique charm and challenges. Collecting moons is the main goal, as they are essential for progressing through the game and unlocking new areas. But how exactly does one gather moons from every kingdom? Let's explore the most effective strategies and methods to achieve this. First, understanding the structure of each kingdom is important. Every world contains a set of main story moons, which are usually tied to specific objectives or story events. These are often marked on the in-game map with a yellow circle. Completing story missions will generally reward you with these moons. For example, in the Cap Kingdom, helping the Toads and completing the main quest to rescue the bandaged Toad will earn you several moons. In addition to story moons, each kingdom features numerous regional moons that can be obtained through exploration and side activities. These are often hidden in less obvious locations or requiring solving puzzles. For instance, in the Cascade Kingdom, you can find moons by exploring underwater caves, climbing cliffs, or completing optional challenges like racing or collecting specific items. Another key method involves completing minigames and challenges scattered throughout each kingdom. These can include races, obstacle courses, or collecting specific items within a time limit. Successfully completing these activities rewards you with moons. For example, in the Sand Kingdom, you can participate in a moon race or help a character with a puzzle to earn additional moons. Many moons are also obtained by interacting with non-player characters and fulfilling their requests. Talking to characters and completing their quests often yields moons. For instance, in the Luncheon Kingdom, helping the chef with his cooking or fixing machinery can reward you with moons. Additionally, some moons are unlocked by purchasing outfits or items from in-game shops, which sometimes requiring collecting coins or completing specific tasks. Exploring thoroughly and revisiting kingdoms after unlocking new abilities can reveal new moons that were previously inaccessible. Finally, keep an eye out for secret areas and hidden pathways. Using Mario's cap and abilities to reach high ledges, underwater zones, or behind scenery can uncover moons that are not immediately visible. Using the snapshot mode to photograph certain objects or locations can also reveal hidden moons. In summary, collecting moons from every kingdom in Super Mario Odyssey involves completing main story missions, exploring thoroughly to find hidden moons, participating in mini-games and challenges, fulfilling character requests, and revisiting kingdoms with new abilities. Patience and curiosity are key, as each world is designed to reward thorough exploration and clever problem solving.